Are you tired of constantly replacing broken or lost headphones in your classroom? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. Buying bulk classroom headphones can save you time and money in the long run. When you purchase headphones in bulk, you'll have a reliable supply that can last for years. Plus, bulk headphones are often more durable and cost-effective than individual headphones. So why waste your time and money on constantly replacing individual headphones? Invest in bulk headphones and save yourself the hassle. Our Barks classroom headphones are designed to be durable, sound great, and withstand the wear and tear of daily student use. So don't wait any longer, upgrade your class set of headphones today.